Do you want to know how you can remove admin in Bigo Live while you are in live? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove the admin in Bigo Live. Simply go to the profile and then click on it. You can click on manage, set them as admin, confirm, go back to manage, and then you can click remove admin. After you do that, you will remove them as an admin. Let me show it to you again. Go to manage, go to set as admin, confirm it, go to manage again, and then click on remove admin. And this person will be removed as the admin in your Bigo Live. This is how you remove admin while you are live on Bigo Live. I hope the video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. I expect to see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye, take care, and enjoy.